Hey guys, it's Shantrina's and I'm going to be doing this fairy slash dark fae type of makeup look, and I'm kind of in love with it. You guys were going crazy about it on Instagram, and if you haven't seen my pictures on Instagram, please check it out. It's at Shantrina's, so make sure you guys are following me there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, keep on watching. So what I did for my eyebrows, I started off with my Urban Decay eyeliner in Vacancy. I'm not sure if they still sell this color, but there are other colors similar to it that are out from Urban Decay right now, and it's just it's like an emerald green, greenish blue color. And I'm doing this pretty much the same way I do my eyebrows regularly. So just using the pencil to fill in the shape of it, and then going in with the powder. And the powder that I'm using is from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. It's just like a really colorful palette, and this color is the brightest blue that's in there, the matte blue. And it kind of took down some of the shine that came from the eyeliner, because the eyeliner that I got was kind of shimmery, and you don't really want shimmery eyebrows. I know this is a fantasy look, but I don't like shimmer eyebrows. So this helped out a lot. And the next thing I did is I got my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I just cleaned up underneath the eyebrows and on top. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows normally, like without the blue, then I do have videos on that. I can just link it in the description box if you guys want to check that out. And then I'm blending it out with my finger and going on top with the same color, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. Next, I'm taking my Smashbox 24-hour primer. I actually bought it this time because I love it so much. And the NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm just putting that on my eye as an eyeshadow base. And this is the Ultimate Shadow Palette that I was talking about, and I'm using the yellow-orange color as a transition color. And next I'm taking MAC Orange eyeshadow and using that on a pointed pencil brush and putting that in the crease. This is going to be kind of a cut crease, kind of like a soft cut crease, so I'm just going to focus that on my crease area and then kind of winging it out, almost like an eyeliner, like a winged eyeliner, but not really. Just kind of making sure it stays in that area. And then blending that over again with the same yellow-orange color just to make sure it's a really nice gradient. And then taking my Modern Renaissance palette in the shade Golden Ochre and Tempera, and this is just like a beige. You don't necessarily have to use the same colors, but I just liked how it turned out, so I just used those colors. And then I'm taking MAC Orange again. You should notice that I did my foundation off camera, and if you want a link to that, I'll put that in the description box, or you can just click here and you can see how I do my full foundation routine. Nothing's really changed, so I didn't want to put it in the video since it's all the same. So if you want like a full talk through on my foundation, check that link out in the description box. And I'm taking the orange eyeshadow and kind of winging it out on the sides and in the inner corner. Next thing I'm doing is dropping my palette, but this is the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. It's gorgeous. I do have some swatches on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram if you want to see that. It's at Shantrina's, and I'm taking the green color just as an inner corner highlight. And then going in with my Urban Decay eyeliner in Perversion. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay Vice 3 palette, and this is in the shade Bitter. You guys know this is my favorite blush shade of all time, so I'm just going to be using that, and I'm also going to be using it on my nose. I'm kind of going for like a very freckled look. I don't even know what this trend is called, but I've seen it a lot on Instagram where like the nose is all blushed up and then it has the cute fake freckles, so that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. And I also took a little bit of the orange eyeshadow again from MAC and then put that on my nose area. Next, I'm taking the MAC highlighter in Global Glow and just highlighting my face. And then to do the fake freckles, I'm using NYX eyebrow marker in Deep. They have a couple different shades, but I felt like Deep would be the best shade for me. It shows up a lot better for me. And I'm just making random dots. I didn't really have a reference photo for this or anything. I just kind of did whatever I thought would look cute. So a bunch of dots, mainly focusing on my nose, and then I put some on my forehead and then going outward from my nose. And then I took the Urban Decay eyeliner in Perversion again, just to make a couple darker freckles to make it look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm taking my NYX White Eyeliner and making a couple of dots. I don't even know what this area of the eye is called, but like near the tear duct. I don't know what this is called. But I'm making some light dots in that area. I thought it looked really cute, so just wanted to put that in there. And I already have the lipstick on, but it's NYX Ombre Duo in Cookies and Cream plus Ashton liquid lipstick from Anastasia. And that's pretty much the finished look. I also did those elf ear cuffs. Those took forever to make it, but they're really cute. I'm going to show you a different lip look. I wasn't sure which one to include in the video, so I just did both so you guys could see. And this is from Too Faced. It's their Evil Twin liquid lipstick, and I love it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And remember to subscribe and share the video if you liked it. I think I'm going to start doing more fantasy looks because I kind of love doing them, and I always look so cute. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to start doing more of these. And leave me a thumbs up if you want to see more fantasy looks from me, because they're a lot of fun to do, and I don't know, I just like doing them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.